Hey folks! Today, let's explore the Dibber with 5-inch measurements, a handy tool designed to make your planting tasks more efficient. Let's start off by talking about the design and features. This dibber is crafted from stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. Its 11-inch length and 5-inch blade are perfect for creating uniform holes for seeds, seedlings, and bulbs. The ergonomically designed ash hardwood T-handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand stress during extended use. Plus, the handle includes a leather loop for easy storage. The dibber features clear 1-inch increment markings up to 5 inches, allowing for precise depth control when planting. This ensures your seeds and bulbs are planted at optimal depths for healthy growth. Now, it's important to highlight the performance part of the product. So let's have a look at it. In practice, the Dibber simplifies the planting process by providing consistent hole sizes and depths. Its sturdy construction withstands regular use, and the comfortable handle minimizes hand fatigue. However, in very compacted soil, additional effort may be needed to achieve the desired depth. Each product has their own unique pros and cons. Let's weigh the pros first. Durable stainless steel construction, comfortable ash hardwood T-handle, clear depth markings for accurate planting, leather loop for convenient storage. Now let's look at the cons. May require effort in compacted soil. Handle size might not suit all users. Let's look at the customer feedback regarding the product. After carefully considering the features, pros and cons, and customer feedback, we'd rate the Dibber a solid 4.7 out of 5 stars. Its design and functionality make it a valuable addition to any gardener's toolkit. What are your thoughts on this tool? Have you used it in your garden? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening reviews and tips. Happy planting!